Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Meghalaya Estimate Committee bentak sengi balang ke Henry Tarik Unailur Arjara Arpulai kelah Hiarsha West Gentia Hills District panlet Jurip ke residential school ke badan hakisnong Sabahmuswang West Gentia Hills. Ke komiti hapok ke Jingeh jong chairman ubaderu MLA ke Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds Aim harengkat ke jing senran lang MLA ke Maukerwat uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar nangta UMLA ke North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum, MLA ke Joai constituency Wailat Miki Shilla, MLA ke Salsela Arbinstone B Marak, but MLA ke Ampati ke Miani di Shira kilalaj ban Jurip ya ke residential school ban Bishar benya halor ke Jinglong Jingman bat ke rukom long ke Jingtei jong ke Jaka Pule. Nakaliang gidikot kila ailat ru ya wahe snong ke Sabahmuswang bat ikitrai ke banok senyangnya ke Jaka na ke benta bantai ya ke residential school bakin penpau ya ke Jingeh ke Jongki bat halor ginu ki mat ke bayadai bat ke school bat halor ke Jing trekam Jongka hadin kani ya ke gidikot lale buram ha ke Jingyalang ke badalong hapo ke community hall ha Sabahmuswang shisho ha ke Jingyalang le don langru deputy commissioner ke West Gentia Hills uba BS Solia IAS District School Education Officer Joai ke kong APSM bat ki he na katanat PWD building.
So brief na kaliang yung building. Skal progress along 100% financial issue ibinagsa. To na kaliang yung education department ikong kumju soliaro indisi seperti ini kila ju ko em ba ban peteng kini kiwi komponen work don kamane ka residential school.
Yung naka from the office, yung ginamit up with Leit kilometers kalau mana building to complete dan sa progress sa through the education department. Dia kata lupa ke district level coordination committee dan nak dia media sebut ini kilometers inisiatif ini tempat facility lain operasi ini pak cause dia review harus
Happening all over the state where few residential school that has been sanctioned at the same time. The work has not yet been completed. Other part. So compared to other sites, this is quite satisfactory for the committee. Even though the observation of the committee is that because we have been mandated by the Meghalaya District Assembly to follow up issues and project that has been stalled, that has not been completed, and why we select this site also, we select randomly all over the state. So few area we found out that it is completed, few area we found that it is 50%, some area we found is only 15%, 10% is like that. So we are quite satisfactory today after visiting this site as per the estimate already made as per the work order, and we are quite happy to see that the building has completed. And except other component to be a complete residential school that we have discussed, and DC also, you please take cognizance of this issue, because as a district head, it is your responsibility to follow out, especially be it central scheme or state scheme. And then from DSEO, and then from the education department, PWD building as the implementing agency also, we would like to see that the rest of the components to make it complete as a residential school, you will have to send a proposal from the education department, even though they already have a plan through this residential society that has been formed or will be formed in days to come. But from the district point of view, feedback has to be sent from all the district. We advise the district like that to send to the education department, so that all the residential school that has been set up in different CNRD block in the state.
Residential school, i baladep complete yung building. Ang bagi Jakasa, di quarter, di block boys, kuto di office, kay Kamro, Kamdon. Tayo surong ro Kamdon, Meghalaya ro Kamdon. Amarangi nang idang sibol ke jingsa ten. Ingin nakaling iro ni kertu committee ibawa one mo naga estimate committee lakin ya keren lane ban pek ban semua dia ni kam kan lek ban sa kani school ni la shai lai sisngi yo ndo segi ndo segi ni ki jikangi kini ki ide no babu naga taro
shortage of resources, sometimes central project scheme discontinue, there's no funding, not even in residential school, even in the polytechnic we have also is the same issue. So it is a challenge for the government, but still, as a committee mandated by Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, it is our duty to follow up issues and to try our level best to take all the feedback, the observation to the concerned department, and we would like to ask for for each and every one of you, especially the landowner, to please bear. Yes, okay? Please bear the landowner, the village head who are here for your generosity. Thank you so much, and you please bear with the department, with the government. We'll find out ways and means as much as we can. And thank you for. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, as the chairman, would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Torbatshnam, to the Education Department, to the Deputy Commissioner, to the building, and all official concerned who are present here. Our sole intention is to carry forward the legacy that has been left behind, and we would like to see that this residential school that has been started here in Sabahmuswang, it will see the light of the day. It is not a promise that 100% it will be within a night that it will function, but as I have said in my opening remark, the spot also, it is a challenge to the government, it's a challenge to the committee, but we wouldn't let you down as the people of this village, especially those landowners who have donated the land, the village, the education department, and all concerned. And we didn't expect that we will get such a beautiful gift that you have present to us. Thank you so much to the DSEO, Kong Hima, and your team. May God bless you.